On this video, we're going to show you how you can upgrade your space with a little bit of paint. So we did it to our family room. Here's the before, here's the after. Stay tuned for the whole video. What's good, everybody? So today we received our new couches and I'm not happy with it. Turkish imported velvet. The catalog showed light blue and I received freaking gray, man. Now the design I absolutely love. Chrome diamond pattern. I mean, I'm offsetting it with the blue pillows and it's working a little better for me, but on its own, I'm honestly just not happy. We got two of them. One is shorter, it's a love seat. They are very comfortable, they feel pretty nice, very easy to clean. Enough space for our vacuum cleaner. That's 85 inches and this is 65 inches. So this is the room, of course, that it's going into, and you guys know me. I'm a stickler when it comes to feng shui. So because the couches were too great, it was just too much whitish marble, grass, that's white. So I needed to offset something. So pillows were not doing it for me. They actually still owe me 8 pillows, so I'm waiting to get those. But I think they're gray, so they're not gonna work for me either. So instead, I'm gonna go and paint that section around there the same color as that. And I think that's gonna help me. I did Photoshop it, I ran a survey and people said, yes, do it. So we're gonna do it and we're gonna see what it looks like. Now in terms of the paint that we're gonna be using, it's the Sherwin Williams Emerald. This is the number. And I've kind of used this all around the house. These walls here, the cabinetry, same thing. And guys, let me show you the chairs. Whoo! Now these are spectacular. You can see that I also wanted the same pattern on the couches as I got on the chairs. Like, look at that, all chrome. Like, look at these chairs. Oh my goodness, they go beautifully with my marble table. Let's go and paint. Now the thing about painting, people do find it scary for such a drastic color. So I would definitely tell you guys to Photoshop. So Photoshop before you're gonna attempt it, and then just go at it. You can always paint back, right? So we're gonna start here. Now somebody did tell me to paint between, like paint another gray in between, but because this is cladding, we don't have that option. So we're just gonna go and just paint it. All right, so this is the very first part, and you kind of want to step back and assess the situation, and I think it's gonna be nice and good. It's still subtle enough to make an impact, but it's not something that people are gonna be like, oh, focused in on, right? So good call, Photoshop. So now this is the before, and now this is the after. Now I like the couches. Still gotta swap the pillows out, something different, but like that blue, woo. And let's turn S on for the vibe. There you go. Oh, there you go. Look at this atmosphere. Everything's kind of like feng shui working together. So thank you, Photoshop. Very easy fix. Photoshop your rooms. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.